Hello kids and welcome to today's session. How are you all? I hope you all are doing well. The chapter for today's session is on and under. We previously spoke about pre-number concepts that help you to understand the things around you. You will be able to compare the objects, sort out the objects, and use different words for different things or for comparison. Now, today we're going to cover on and under. Now, what is the meaning of this word on? When something is placed on the surface of another object, suppose this is a table and I place my phone on a table. So I can say my phone is on the table. But if this is a table and my phone is lying under the table, is on the floor, table is this and on the floor. So I can say my phone is under the table. This is when I place my phone on the top of some surface. Object, this table is an object. If I place on the top of the another object, one object, and it is on the surface of one object, so that is on. When it is under it, then it is under. So this is the difference between on and under. Now in your book, there is one example given to you. There is a table, there is a rat, and there is a cat. So the rat is on the surface of the table, on the top of the table. So that means the rat is on the table. Whereas cat, if we talk about the position of cat, then cat is below the table, right? So the cat is under the table. This is the concept of on and under. Now another question given to you in your book is, there is a tree which is colorful. There are two objects, two birds. One is sitting on the tree and the another one is under the tree. So the object which is on the tree, you will color it with blue, and the object which is under the tree, you will color it with red color. So children, this is the concept of on and under. I hope you understood it well. With this is the end. I'll see you in the next session.